around.
Hi, and we're in a mine.
Hi.
We're coming through deep. Hi, this is Josh Perry.
Yay.
I know I'm uploading this on a gaming channel, but I think we should still upload it.
You're going to see a lot of these metal rods. It's actually holding all the rock up. Now this technique is called spiling. So they would put those rods in to actually put the big old 12 by 12 beams above our head called the back of the mine, and the sides are called the ribs. Just a little terminology for you. Now we are going into a ball face mine. That silver fluid granite is so hard, it actually requires little to no support. So we're not going to see many beams once we're actually in there. It's very cool. Now, for you parents in the back and in the front, I apologize, but miners were small back then. The average height was about 5'5". So you are going to get your head a few times. Hope you guys schedule the chiropractor appointment, right? Now the lowest clearance is right when we're entering that bald face. It's about a 5'2" clearance, so that's the main spot to watch your head at. So. Now I'm going to get up front. You guys could follow me.
That's our guide. Water. More water. This is so cool. There's rock overhead. And there's water on this side of us. You can't feel it because you're watching a video.
We're going to stop right up here.
But it's freezing in here.
It's a bunch of Tommy knockers.
Oh, it's wet.
What's a Tommy knocker?
I'll tell you guys about that once we're out of the mine, so nobody runs out for
That's the other levels that have been...
That is the other levels, and I'll talk about it when everybody gets a little closer, alright?
Those are the underworlds.
Now don't worry, everybody is going to be able to see this, so don't try to push your way up front. I don't want anybody to get pushed into that water. Now this is our first stop in our mine today. Now this is called a drift. Now we created a drift every time we found a vein of silver. The Lebanon mine has 10 separate drifts all together. Now in this bottom right hand corner, this is actually a winze. That's the technical term. It's a mine shaft going to the lower levels of the mine. We are on level 3, so that actually drops you to level 2. It's about a 60-foot drop down. Now you will notice it's completely filled with water, and actually Julius Poley was an inventor, and he invented one of the first non-electrical water pumps to pump it all up to this level. Actually, we're walking up at a 1% grade, and it's perfect to just drain all that water in the creek right behind us. Now, the main thing I want everybody to see right here is I'll be shining my flashlight at a little bit of silver they left off. They must have knew we were going to give tours someday, and yeah. So it'll be right up here where I'm shining my flashlight. You can't see it from that right-hand side. You got to come over here. So once you guys do see this, do you mind just stopping up there at that second or third light? Go ahead and take a look as you go by and then walk up here.
Where is it?
Right up here, bud. Right where I'm shining my flashlight.
There's silver up there.
Yeah.
And that is part 1 of Into the Mine. Bye guys, and see you in the part 2.